To prepare this delicious fondant chocolate cake, you will need 200 grams of baking chocolate, 125 grams of butter, 100 grams of icing sugar, 4 eggs, 50 grams of flour, and 6 pieces of black or white chocolate. Preheat oven to 220 degrees. Melt the 200 grams chocolate and the butter in a pan or in the microwave. Add the eggs and icing sugar in a bowl. Think of stirring regularly to avoid burning. Then add the flour and mix. Incorporate the chocolate and mix until combined well. Butter a cake pan or cover it with cooking foil and pour the preparation into the cake pan. Break in half and spread the 6 pieces of black or white chocolate, insert them into the preparation. A tip: the smaller your cake pan, the softer your cake. Bake for 10 minutes at 220 degrees. That's it! Now just decorate your cake as you wish. A simple and fast recipe to stun your guests. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss a single recipe.